Hello dear subscribers. Today I will show you how you can easily scale your text on iPhone in your browser on Safari. So for doing this you just need to click here on this on A, just click here, and here you will see that if you click on left A, it will make your text lower. If you click on right A, it will make it bigger. So here you can see that we successfully scale it to 300%. So if you want to make it lower, just click again, and normal it's 100%. It means that you doesn't scale your text. So this is how it works. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.